Hi, today we're going to learn about adding the icons and removing icons on Google and on Edge. First, we want to go to the plus sign, and to add it, we're going to add a name, which we're going to call website. Second, we're going to add our URL, and we're going to do mscwebsites.com. That's my website, actually. And then we're going to hit done. Now, as you can see, I added website. And if you look over here, you have your shortcuts as well. Now, website, if you want to remove it, you just click on those three dots and it removes. And also the shortcut remove, undo, whatever you want to do there. It's a warning. So let's move right over to Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is the same. You clicked on the plus sign, add your websites this time. And our URL, we're going to add to mscwebsites.com. Did you click on add? And you can see that our website is available. And there's my website that we developed. Then we'll close out and then we'll come back and we see websites, but we want to remove it. So let's go over here to the three dots, hit remove, and you have it. Please subscribe and leave a comment. We want to hear from you.